I always get this question, you know, Siemens is such a large company. How did it come to be? And I wanted to share this slide with all of you because, you know, in the age of startups that we're in, Siemens was a startup of its own. And it was back in 1847, just like today, when you hear of those startups that start in garages. We started in a garage, believe it or not, in Berlin, here in Germany. And we only had 10 employees at the start. And if you can see there, a very minor amount of startup capital and had obviously a very small amount of our first year revenue. And that is actually, the denomination is called thalers, and that's the currency or the mode in which we knew how much money was back then. And being in finance, I had to investigate that. And actually, the startup capital amount would have been $5,000 US at the time. And therefore, our first year revenue for Siemens back in 1847 out of a garage was $2,500 US. So we've come a long way to today, where we are leading in EAD, or electrification, automation, and digitalization. We are a proud employer of 377,000 people all around the world in over 190 countries. Revenue of 83 billion, of which I'm proud to say that my division is about 13% of that. Net income, as you can see, 6.1 billion last year, and a healthy profit margin of 11.2%. So quite a ways from our $2,500 US first year revenue back in 1847. And I'm a proud person as part of that team. So without further ado, digitalization. And I think this is the future. Actually, this is today. And I wanted to share a few statistics with you because I'm not sure that Siemens is known for these statistics. We are known for engineering, that's for sure. However, we're not sure if you know that we employ 24,500 software engineers globally. We are a top 10 global software company. Actually, we're #1 in industrial software. We have over 1 million connected assets. And what do I mean by that? We are using MindSphere, which is our IoT platform. And what that does is it connects to assets. And today, what do we need most is information and data. And that's what we're doing. We're getting data from 1 million of our installed base, 1 million assets within our installed base. We have over 250 plus, by the way, digital offerings already. And that includes services, industrial applications, and all the like. So we are really a leading player in digitalization, and I'm very proud to be part of that story.